Right. Wrigley, do you need to go out? I don't know what that means. Do you need to go out? What do you need, baby? Wrigley, do you need to go out? Oh, I don't know. He keeps making sounds.
Come on, you need to go outside? You know, we held back a little bit of his food.
Do you want? Are you hungry? There's a reaction. Are you hungry? Okay, go get dinner. Go get the rest of your dinner with Daddy. Go on. Go on. Good boy. Good, sit.